Hello, welcome to Tech Easy. Good afternoon to everyone. Today in this video, we'll see how to loop a Google Slides slideshow in a loop. Means without hitting any button or externally clicking any button or touching the mouse or the computer keys, we can automatically loop a representation, means the Google Slides presentation. Usually, when you have a lot of slides on the Google Slides, we'll click on the slideshow and we'll click on hit enter button for the next slide. But in order to loop these slides, see, I have given like page 2, number 3 and 4 and 5. So what I'll do is I'll just loop this video. So you need to click on this slideshow. Just beside the slideshow there is a drop down button. You need to click on this presenter view. So this will load up the presenter view. So you need to just minimize this. Now the whole Google slideshow will be shown in the presenter view. In the presenter view, you need to click on this three dots at bottom left, then click on this autoplay and this enable this loop. Now choose for how many seconds you want this transition for one slide to another slide. I'll just keep it to 3 seconds. Now I'll click on play and let's check the output. For every 3 seconds, there will be a new slide. See, this is the page number 2, page number 3, 4, 5, and then again it will be in the loop. It goes to the first loop until you press this escape key on your computer or the laptop. See, yes, it is gone to the first page, and until I press on the escape key, this loop will be continued. So now I'm ending this slideshow. So if you like this video, please do hit a like for this and share it to others so that it may be useful to others too. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.